A very good morning, class 6. We have started sentences. We have done subject and predicate. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. Now, let's do the next pages of the sentences. Let's read the story. Bess was ready for school. Wait, I'm looking for my school bag, yells Ken. Now, Ken yells. Yells means चिल्लाया कि मैं अपना स्कूल बैग ढूंढ रहा हूँ, पता नहीं कहाँ है. एंड बेस वॉज रेडी फॉर स्कूल. एंड बेस रेडी था और केन को अपना बैग नहीं मिल रहा था. वी शैल बी लेट मम complains Bess. She and mum wait for Ken. Now both of them wait for Ken because Ken's bag was not, he was not able to find his bag. Ken runs quickly downstairs. The bus driver is waiting at the gate, says mum. Now, did Ken find his school bag? How do you think he feels now? Yes, he got his school bag and he feels happy. Who was ready for school? Ken and Bess. Who are going to be late for school? Ken. What does Ken do after he finds his school bag? He rushes towards the school bus. Now read the sentences in the story above. Now circle the suitable verb to complete each sentence. You have to, this is very important beta, you have to choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. Now Bess was or were ready before Ken. Now Bess Ken से पहले ready था या थे. वॉज था होता है, वर थे होता है. आप बताइए क्या आएगा. बेस वॉज रेडी बिफोर कैन और वर रेडी बिफोर कैन. इट विल बी yes was ready before कैन. So was you have to underline, you have to circle. I am trying or is trying to find my bag, says Ken. I के साथ हमेशा क्या लगता है, am trying. So am trying will be circled. I am trying to find my bag, says Ken. Bess and Ken is late for school or will be late for school. दोनों लेट हो जाएंगे. Will be late for school. Okay. The bus driver, एक बस ड्राइवर है, are waiting for the children or is waiting for the children. He is waiting for the children. Hurry up Ken. Say mum or says mum. मम एक है, मम्मी से कहेंगी या सेज कहेंगी. मम्मी क्या कहेंगी, सेज कहेंगी. Ken and Ben runs to catch the bus or run to catch the bus. अब ये दो हैं. When there are two subjects, two people, then it is always run, not runs. Okay children. So this is what is all about the correct verb which you have to underline or circle. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable form of verbs given in the brackets. Very easy. Mom and dad cook together at weekends or cooks together at weekends. Cook, because there are two mom and dad, so it will be cooked together at weekends. We dash to Manali. We be and drive. Now क्या आएगा, be और drive दोनों को यूज़ करना है. We will be driving to Manali. We will be लिखा है तो will आएगा. will मतलब करेंगे. We will be driving to Manali. Now the eagle dash mice with its sharp claws. The eagle catch और caught भी आ सकता है. कैचेस आएगा. ईगल सिंगल है, अगर हम प्रेजेंट टेंस लगाएंगे तो कैचेस आएगा. पास्ट टेंस लगाएंगे तो कॉट आएगा. ओके. कैच का पास्ट टेंस कॉट. आई डैश माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इन लखनऊ. बी विजिट. आई विल बी विजिटिंग माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इन लखनऊ. विल बी विजिटिंग. गीना डैश टू हर मदर एवरी डे. गीना टॉक्स टू हर मदर. टॉक का क्या हो जाएगा, टॉक्स. शीना एंड गुल यूजली डैश इन दैट रूम. स्लीप. दो लोग हैं, गुल एंड शीना, सो दे विल बी स्लीप. Suman dashed the tree outside her window. Suman will be climbing the tree outside her window. Be आया है तो it will be climbing. Penguins dash their wings as flippers to move through water. Penguins use. Penguins आधा है तो uses नहीं होगा, use होगा. Okay, so children. So a singular subject must have a singular verb and a plural subject must have a plural verb. The subject and verb in a sentence must match even when the tense of the verb changes. So you have done the subject and subject with the verb. Okay, कि verb किस subject के साथ क्या verb लगता है. Now after this, the next page is page number 75. Tick the box with the subject matches the verbs in the sentences below. Okay, tick the box if the subject matches the verbs in the sentences below. Okay, Suman is climbing the tree. Subject is Suman. कर रही है, verb is climbing. बिल्कुल ठीक है, right. Stars shines brightly in the sky. Stars है तो shine आएगा, shines नहीं आएगा. So इसको आपने tick नहीं करना. My cousins was traveling to Seoul. Cousin ज़्यादा है, was आएगा कि were आएगा, were traveling. So इसको भी tick mark नहीं करना. The students works very hard. Students हैं तो work आएगा, works नहीं आएगा, ये भी tick mark नहीं करना. I'm drawing a picture of you. Right, इसमें correct है verbs बिल्कुल. Dogs wag their tails when they are happy. Yes, they are happy. So dogs है, single dog ज़्यादा है तो wag is the correct form of verb. So right आएगा. Mona win the race every year. नहीं आएगा क्योंकि मोना जो है वो single है, उसके साथ wins आएगा, win नहीं आएगा. राजीव walks to school. Yes, राजीव के साथ walks आएगा to school. Okay, children. There is horses running in the field. There is horses running in the field. There are horses running in the field. So are will be the plural form and nothing will come over there. You are looking lovely today. You are looking lovely today. This is correct? Right आएगा. So look at the picture below. Make 5 sentences using singular and plural subjects. Remember to match each subject to its verb. Now you have to see the picture and you have to write 5 sentences with this. Now there is a cricket match between two teams. There is a cricket match going on between two teams. Huh? There are blue and yellow teams. Then blue team is batting and yellow team is fielding, is bowling. And spectators are watching the match or people are watching the match. So this is all you have to do. You have to write 5 sentences while looking at this picture. Okay, children? So do page 74 and 75. This is very important pages of sentence making. And tomorrow we shall be doing questions. Very easy question tag we will be doing. It is very easy. And we can just go on with the following pages to finish your course. And then it is just the grammar practice we are doing. There's nothing that we have to finish the syllabus. This is all you have done. So we are just repeating and doing the grammar pages in the book itself. Thank you and have a nice day. Submit this work by evening today. Okay, children?